Hi everyone, this is Alena. Welcome to my channel. I decorated this scrapbook in my previous video and now I'm going to flip through it. I use very simple decor with lots of layers, die-cut leaves, jars and wooden chipboard shapes. I have placeholders for photos on every left page and watercolor paper insertions on every right page. I'm going to write down my Easter recipes there. I use handmade flowers on every page. I made them with one of my dies. All flowers are different, they either have different color, paper or the center. Wooden chipboard is covered with acrylic paint, glossy accents and glitter on top of it. If you want to make similar scrapbook, I encourage you to watch the video of process I linked here. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up so that YouTube knows you want to see more from me, or you can also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!